Hello, I'm Louisa and I'm going to show you how to do some piping, particularly round a corner. This is a bodice I made and this is the bottom part with a very pointy bottom and I'm going to show you how to pipe to go around a curve or a corner. For piping a bodice I like to use quite narrow piping cord. This is 100% cotton and it calls itself size 101. So you will need your bit of bias fabric, your piping cord. I'm going to pipe onto just some plain blue fabric and I'm going to go around this corner, and you will need a piping foot which is very narrow. Okay, here we have our piping cord, our bias strip and our piece of fabric and the corner that we want to get round. And for the purposes of demonstration I'm using a black thread on the top. So the first thing we need to do is put the piping cord inside the bias strip. So try to keep the edges together where possible. And there you have the piping sewn on round a corner. You might want to do this on a cushion or something. The corner is clipped as I sewed, and then I can just iron it out. And the reverse looks like this. I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching.